Dr. Sajid again. We're now going to continue with the development of the child during the first year. We went up to 6 months of age initially, and now we'll go from 6 months on to 1 year. And now let's talk about the physical growth. The baby continues to grow, although not as quickly and as vigorously as during the first 6 months. So the weight gain per month may be close to a pound, slightly less than a kilogram per month, and the baby will be able to triple the birth weight by the time she is 1 year of age. Similarly, the height grows and about half an inch or so every month, and so from, let's say, 50 centimeters at the time of birth to about 75 centimeters at the time of 1 year, or between 20 inches at birth to 30 inches at the time of 1 year. Now, similarly, the head growth goes from 35 at birth to between 45 to 47 centimeters at the time of 1 year. So physical growth continues, and this has to be assessed by your doctor. The second is the development milestones, and the baby who's now able to sit down at about 6 months of age starts sitting fairly comfortably and on its own gradually without support, and soon by the time the baby is maybe 7 or 8 months of age will start crawling and may be able to stand by the time the baby is 9 to 10 months of age or a little later, and some babies will start taking a few steps by the time they're 1 year, but certainly they are standing. Now remember, these developmental milestones are an average, and there is a whole range that I explained to you before. So if a baby does not do any of these things at the specified time, you have to check with your doctor, and it may be that the baby is normal but just taking a little bit longer. There are always differences within the same family amongst the different children, and therefore you should not compare what one child did at the same stage and compare the child to another one. The baby also will be able to recognize the mother better and will become a little apprehensive when the mother leaves the room. This is what we call separation anxiety, and also gets a little unfriendly with strangers. The baby needs to be handled accordingly, and it is not a bad idea for the mother to step away from the baby for a while and then come back so that the baby is reassured. This is also the time when the child will start saying a few words, maybe by about between 7 and 9 months, or maybe a little later, and simple words like mama, baba, generally, or similar words or similar sounds. The baby also starts teething about 7-8 months of age, and the two lower incisors will come in, and then the upper incisors. And so by the time the baby is a year old, perhaps there will be about 6 teeth, 4 upper and 2 lower. But again, there are variations. The baby recognizes, hears, and now, like I said, can communicate. Will be able to play with some toys and cover and uncover them. And around 9 months or 10 months of age, the baby will be able to hold objects with the finger and the thumb, rather than holding it with the palm as the baby used to do before. Nutrition is another thing that you have to be paying attention to. So up to 6 months, breastfeeding only, or formula milk if that's not possible. But then gradually you have to start weaning foods. You start one food at a time, go for a few days, then start the next one, and then the next one, and always before you give milk feed or before you feed. And that's very important. So by the time the baby is 8 to 9 months, it must be getting 2 solid food meals, and by the time baby is close to a year, 3 of them would be more appropriate. So the milk intake will reduce, and which is normal, and by the time a baby is 1 year old, 2/3 of the meals and the calories should come from solids and only 1/3 from milk. And lastly, immunizations. Few immunizations fortunately during these 6 months. And 9 months usually measles is given, and some doctors also recommend the meningococcal vaccine, but if you haven't completed the vaccines up to 6 months, those can be caught up. So from 6 months to a year, the baby is crawling and exploring, and you have to take appropriate measures. It's a lot of fun, but there are steps to be taken by the parents to make sure that the baby is thriving well.